Randy. I'm gonna go out there.
Do you want me to go look?
Let's go. Okay, we'll be back.
Oh, you want me to go with you?
Han, maghahanap kami ng pagkain. You have money? Hey, Lisa?
Huh?
You have money?
Yeah. Lola, you don't burn out there. Sunburn. You be careful.
That's why I don't want it.
Yeah, but you're in the sun, Lola.
Why?
You're in the sun.
To stay longer.
A little. We're gonna go find lunch,
We're gonna go see if we can find food.
and then.
Yeah.
Okay?
But you should get out of the sun.
Hey, can you put this in there?
Put that for what in here?
This is our kubo. There's videoke here, but we refuse to do it. Here, put this in there.
Where's my sticker?
Right here.
Why are you staying?
Yeah, we're gonna stay a little longer, Lola.
We're gonna find food. Okay?
We'll try not to stay too long.
For 4 hours.
Stay.
4 hours.
Till it's
I
done.
forget it. We better go.
We're not staying.
No, we're not staying 4 hours. Let's see what we can find for food.
Wala.
And then if we can't,
Yeah. We can go. What do you want to eat?
okay.
Put that in there. So we have a little something. Kung hindi kami makakita ng pagkain, babalik kami tapos alis na lang tayo. What time is it?
Yes, you can. It's fine. It's a beach town. She says you can't go like that. 12 what?
He ate?
Yeah, but it must have been empty for a long time if he ate it. So that's on Justin.
Oh, I see.
He doesn't check it. It's annoying.
Supposedly there's empanadas. Let's see what she has.
I see eggs.
Watch out. Oh, well, we left him. Or we left her. She'll forget that we're looking for food.
Yeah.
Like how they have government warning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, to be honest, I feel like I'm very surprised by how little cigarette smoke.
Oh, yeah, right.
Because it's like in Europe, you can't get away from it.
Oh, really?
You're walking through it, just puppies. So yeah, I'm actually really surprised, pleasantly surprised, at how little cigarette smoke there is around. Yahoo Cottage.
Yeah. The beachfront overnight
It's not a
stay.
garbage can.
I would be making money selling food. You know? Maybe a lot of people, they bring their food.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, look.
Let's see what they have. Oh, we can get the. Let's see what they have. You want to try the isaw? Or isaw, right? Isaw?
Okay. What is that? Wait.
It's chicken intestines.
No.
I want to try it.
Okay.
Barbecue pork.
Yes.
Ito, chicken or
Pork.
pork? Lahat pork?
Tenga pa dito.
Let me try. I'll have let me try two isaw, dalawa, dua.
Tatlo, 20, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Pork also. Ano to? Tingnan ko. You want pork? Okay.
Dahil nakanukayan tayo. Idulit na kayo. Idulit na.
No chicken. 4? Apat?
What about Randy?
Yeah, apat. Ano? Oh yeah. Ano? Wait. Where's
How many? Yeah. Is that gonna be enough?
6, 2 more. Dua mo. Dua ka na.
And all of mine only eat one.
Yeah.
Pick up two.
Yeah.
You're so funny. You think Lola will eat the isaw?
Maybe. Or maybe Randy.
But he doesn't eat chicken.
Oh, yeah. That's right. Never mind that.
Yeah.
I'll eat it all. I'll eat it all.
Pinatas ko tayo. Ganak lata. Ma'am.
beetles some. Let it be.
Sausaw?
Mga ramen.
Vinegar? Vinegar? Suka. Suka.
Vinegar with onion, lagay.
Garlic? Oh, onion. Para sa isaw-isaw?
I put here man, no plastic.
Yan. Sa plastic na lang. Plastic na lang.
Kasi ka man mo kasi ka man pa anak ko ni.
Huh? Record?
That big.
There. Fish. Wow. Tuna?
Tuna ma.
Tuna. Yeah.
Malajin.
They also have hot dog.
Diyan ay luto dyan. At ano nakakuha na?
Oh, wow.